Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
Secret tips to make mixed vegetable sago cutlet. Protein, fiber, carbohydrates, nutrients, and energy loaded. But before I tell you the recipe, it's Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Break away our false and misleading assumptions and presumptions. Bless us with keen curiosity, sharp sight, and clear hearing, far-sighted vision, true knowledge, and deep wisdom. Now for the recipe, a rainy day demands protein, fiber, carbohydrates, nutrients, energy-loaded breakfast or snacks. And hence an ideal choice is sago or sabudana or sagudana, as it has all these. This is what it looks like. Sago or sabudana or a sagudana, 1 cup or 220 grams. That is what I have taken. Now this is the secret of it. Rinse well a couple of times till water runs clear. This is the first time. Now add water again. Stir. There, the water is clear. Now this takes the starch away, which is most important. There, water is almost clear. Now add water from natural source, that is 1/4 that of the sago quantity that we have taken, and stir a little. Now look at the water. That is all the water we have to add. Cover and keep. Now, vegetable for stuffing like capsicum, potato, green chilies, carrot, green peas, ginger, corn, onion, or anything of your choice. Now, after 2 hours, look at the sago. No water. Now, mix well again. And this is what it looks like. Each and every pearl is separate. This is what it is like. And now let me show you the comparison of soaked pearls and unsoaked pearls. There it is. Now spread the softened sago on a mixing plate or a bowl, but preferably a plate or a thali, and spread it well. Add all the vegetables that we minced, mashed, grated. Generally peanuts are also added to these cutlets, but I am not using them. But you can of course use if you wish. And is very heavy to digest. Now after this, add spices like cumin, red chili powder, coriander powder, any natural salt, garam, and mango powder of your choice. And when done, mix well. After mixing, this is what it should look like. Now to shape the cutlets and refrigerate the balance till required. I have shaped only 4 cutlets, but you can shape more also. The balance of the mix now goes into the fridge, as I said. Now a kadai, skillet, fry pan or a wok. Heat the cooking oil. Add the cutlets slowly. Do not overcrowd, otherwise they will stick. Allow them to fry. The heat should be medium. Now, fry both sides till both sides are equally well done. Flip. Continue to flip. Look at the color changing. Look how they become crisp and crunchy. Now, done. Remove and allow the oil to drain. Look, beautiful, isn't it? Now continue to fry till the required quantity of cutlets is done. Switch off the flame when done. Allow the oil to drain and remove the cutlets. Now, plate and serve to all with dips or sauces or chutneys or all of them of your choice. And enjoy.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.